We are traveling down Cheaha Mountain in Alabama, the highest point. That's Uncle Terry up ahead of us. And we have never had this kind of snow in Alabama that I can remember. And I am 53 years old. Let's see, how old am I?
About that.
I'm 53. She said I was 53. Oh, that's close. And this is my stomping grounds when I was growing up. I used to spend a lot of time up here. We came up to eat on the mountain at the restaurant, and we're just for Christmas Day, and we're just enjoying this. And Uncle Terry's up ahead of us wanting to know why we're driving so slow. But we're videoing, we're video logging this trip. It's about 5 o'clock, and we have to be off this mountain by 5:30 because it's dangerous. And some of the roads on each end are getting closed, but we're up here on the mountain coming down. It's these people in Alabama that can't drive in snow. Serious death. This is Christmas Day, and we're driving to a winter wonderland. It's actually, the roads are not actually all the way frozen yet, but they're getting there. It's a lot lighter on this video than it actually is here. It's very overcast, and you really cannot see that far, so we have about 10 minutes to get down off this mountain, and they're going to close it at 5:30, they said, up at the restaurant. So I'm going to stop this video. Merry Christmas.